Hello, my friends. Just found this in my change the other day, which is kind of neat. Now, what is going on for this video? Well, some of my friendly channels have been doing videos about slickest coins, and they were talking about barber quarters in particular. Now, in this bag, I have an 1899 Philadelphia one, but to me this isn't worn enough. So I was looking in other coins. I thought about pulling this one out of its holder. It's a 1907 Orleans. The back is pretty bad, well worn, but I don't think I have to even worry about that. But before we get to those, why don't I just show you something that's kind of nice, something that isn't worn out. This 44 Mercury dime is fairly nice. It's not quite a full bands one though. That middle band, you don't see the line all the way across. You see hints of it, but it ain't quite there. But it's a pretty nice one. Now, let's talk about worn out barber quarters. I have a few I bought last year. This one you can see part of the date. Looks like 1894. The back isn't worn as bad. It is scraped and damaged, so on both sides a little bit. This might not count because they don't want ones with holes or nothing. So the scale's set, and we'll put this on here and see what it weighs. Well, it's not really that light, 5.58 grams. So that ain't going to be a winner. How about this one? It's pretty slick, basically an outline. The back is real bad. It looks like it does have a bit of a, I think that's an O. This might be a 1908 Orleans. It's actually heavier than what that other one was, which means probably this 1907 is going to be around 5.5 too. And it is an Orleans Mint too. I think that's an O. Doesn't look like a D. It's right at 5.6. So, what's the one I think is going to be the winner? Well, this, it's recognizable as a barber quarter. There's no date. The back, all you have left is the outline of the eagle pretty much. This thing should probably come in at about 5 grams maybe, if I'm lucky. We'll just put it up here and see what we get. Well, it's 5.31. It's pretty slick, but I don't know if that was enough to win. But where did that dime go? How about the dime? This one's pretty slick. It's down to, it's a 1902. You can still see that much. The back is almost entirely gone. You drop it on there. That dime is under 2 grams. They start at 2.5. So that dime might be a winner on a Slickest Dime challenge. But then $half. You can see 1903 on this. Back's pretty well worn. Got a scratch. Let's see what it weighs. 11.09. It's not under 10. or under 11, I mean, like that Walking Liberty when I had that was 10.94. So, and then just show you a couple bargains I got last year at one point. Those war nickels cost me 65 cents a piece. Now I can see one of them's got a big hole. And then this bag of them, there's 15 of them in here, or supposedly, and they were 75 cents a piece. None of them have got holes, but that's well under melt for these. So I think that's going to be my quarter. That I'm going to see if there's any chance that this $530 is enough to win. It said something like 531 earlier, but it might be that the scale is starting to go off. Yeah, but it comes up 5.3. I don't know if that's good enough, but it's better than some of them. And surely that one will be heavier than that. That's pretty much what I got for this. 5.3 grams. No, not that one. And that's the quarter. Have a good look at that. There's very little left there. If the front was the same, and it's pretty close, it might be under a gram light, because they start at 6 1/4 and it's down to 5.3. That's all I got for this challenge. Hope everyone has a good day.